Hi everyone, I'm Sajid Rahim here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this transmission of Daiji Global Panvision. First, the news headlines from abroad. First anniversary joy for Mangalore Association of Saudi Arabia. Guru Seva Samiti Bahrain celebrates 4th anniversary. News headlines from Mangalore. Blind youth from Athani perform in South Canara. A feature on the magic of calligraphy, the art of beautiful writing. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from 70th Monthly Theatre held at Kalangan, Barry's song from Shawal Nilavu, and a song from Mangalorean Day held in Abu Dhabi. News in detail. MASA, an association of Mangaloreans living in Saudi Arabia, completed 1 year. And to celebrate this occasion, members of MASA organized a grand function at Al Khobar. MASA, Mangalore Association of Saudi Arabia, has completed 1 year, and to commemorate this occasion, the first anniversary function was held on November 1st, 2007 at Pearl Compound in Al Khobar. The event was a grand success with over 600 invitees taking part in it. Satish Kini, Kamat, Feroz Ahmed and Tasneem Feroz Ahmed were the chief guests. MASA President Karunakar Salyan spoke on the achievements made during the short span of a year. Meritorious students from the community were honored. Sports prizes and talent shows awards were also presented to winners of MASA conducted competitions during 2007. Raffle draw with prizes like TV, mobile phones, gold biscuits and coin, iPod and DVD players was held, and many attractive prizes were given away. Children put up an impressive cultural show in which they displayed their talents in dance, singing and skit. Ravi Karkera, General Secretary and Head of Entertainment Committee, was adjudged MASA Man of the Year. It was celebration time for yet another Mangalorean community living in Bahrain. Guru Seva Samiti Bahrain, an association of Billavas, celebrated 4th anniversary on Friday, November 16th. Guru Seva Samiti Bahrain, a social-cultural organization of Billava community, celebrated its 4th anniversary on November 16th at Palace Hotel. The president of Guru Seva Samiti, Vishwanath Amin, welcomed the members. Award-winning Kannada film star and producer Dr. Jayamala, renowned Tulu scholar and writer Bannanje Babu Amin and Venu Gopal were honored during the program. The chief guest, Indian Ambassador Balakrishna Shetty, praised the social work taken up by Guru Seva Samiti. The ambassador was also honored. Sri Ramashetra Dharmasthala, founder trustee Sri Atmananda Saraswati, graced the occasion. The souvenir, Tudar, was released during the occasion. When you lose something, nature compensates you in some other way. That is what has happened with the visually impaired persons. They may not have the sight, but the creator of this world has empowered them with an excellent listening power. That is why the visually impaired are usually considered good in music. Last week, the blind students from Athani were in South Canara to present musical program. The students and teaching staff of Sneha Jyoti, an organization working for the physically challenged children in Athani of Belgaum district, were in Dakshina Kannada for a few days. The specially abled youth, under the able guidance of their teachers, presented cultural programs at different places of the district like Bola, Manjanadi, Panir, Taudugoli and Bachpe.
सत्यदर्शका नीने सत्यपूर्णनो नीने सर्वव्यापियो नीने विश्वज्योतियो नीने सत्यदर्शका नीने सत्यपूर्णनो नीने सर्वव्यापियो नीने विश्वज्योतियो नीने धीर धीर नालिदा भव्य भारत ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತತ ವೀರ ಧೀರರಾಳಿದ ಭವ್ಯ ಭಾರತ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತತ
ನಿನಗೊಳ್ಳೆದಾಗತ್ತೆ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ, ನಿನಗೊಳ್ಳೆದಾಗತ್ತೆ ತಾಯೇ.
1993 ನಿನಗೊಳ್ಳೆದಾಗತ್ತೆ ತಾಯೇ.
ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನುಡಿತೈತಿ ತಾಯಿ, ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲೊಂದಲ್ಲಿ ನುಡಿತೈತಿ ತಾಯಿ. ಶನಿವಾರ ದಿವಸ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ತಾಯಿ, ಒಲೆ ಉರಿಸಬಾರದು, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೊತ್ತಿಸಬಾರದು ತಾಯಿ.
Father K.C. Chacko, Director Sneha Jyoti and Instructor Viresh led the troupe. It was indeed a great effort from these children in presenting entertainment programs. Their talent, creativity caught the imagination of everyone gathered. Disability was relegated to the background when the visually impaired youth performed at the show. The performance could be compared with professional choirs. They sang, danced and displayed their talent in playing instruments. They left the audience stunned to see the perfection in their presentation.
ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಇಂದು ನೀನೇನೆ ನನ್ನವಳಿಂದು ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಬಂದವಳಿಂದು ಆಹಾ ಇಂಥ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
There was indeed great performance. Now it's time for us to take a break here. When we come back, after the break, we will bring you a feature on calligraphy, the art of beautiful writing. Don't miss it. Stay tuned.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands, including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings, jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex, near Shetty Traders, Milagres Crossroad, Ampankatta, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. Writing is an art. Thanks to the revolution in the field of computers, most of us have forgotten the art of writing. But here is a man, L.J. Martis, a retired bank employee in Mangalore, who has imbibed an excellent hand, has continued to write even after his retirement. He has imbibed calligraphy, the art of writing beautifully. Here we go to the world of beautiful handwriting.
Tons of patience, a zeal to make the written word look stylish and pleasing to the eyes. Mr. Martis is a living example of perseverance of a hobby. You just have to try your hands at this and practice leads to perfection. That's the secret.
There is a demand for calligraphers in India. Very few calligraphic people are there, and it's an art. It's an art that anybody can practice. So there is no point, you see, in leaving a simple thing which one can get it at a very earnest attempt when an earnest attempt is made. Yeah. Therefore I tried. That what inspired me is that why should I not do something new in life, something new which I wanted to take. So I got it, there is no problem. Plenty of certificates and prize certificates and merit certificates, all these are written. Besides that, many people took very good advantage of my writing. Those marriage invites, especially marriage invites and all, I have written plenty of marriage invitation, marriage envelopes also. Yeah, which is not less than 25 to 30,000. Children can be molded easily if teachers are good and teachers show a little bit of what is called an effort to see that the children's handwriting is changed. They can do it. I crave for writing, but I don't get enough things to write. I want to write, but I don't get people who help me to write. If anybody is willing to come and to change it, I can help.
What began as a passion in his early 30s became a full-time hobby to this septuagenarian. In the last 40 years, Mr. Martis has not just practiced this art by writing his copy at 4 in the morning, but also has collected calligraphic pens from all over the world. Today, his collection of pens over the years exceeds a count of 500, which include 200 nib-pointed and 300 sketch pens.
It is 5 pages of copy. Even early morning at 4 o'clock I get up and write 2 pages of copy just to retain that art. Otherwise you will forget the strokes. This started somewhere in 1955. 1955, because of this calligraphy, I wanted to find out whether there are very good pens which I can use in my calligraphy, and I found in advertisement that there are pens. So I went in search for them and I could get them. And I wrote to my friends also to find out whether the good pens are available in these places, and they helped me a lot. See, this is a very sad thing to know. Whereas good handwriting tell you what type of person you are. Your heart, especially your heart will know by the way you write.
Well, all of us can take a leaf from Martis's book. After all, handwritings speak of us. Now, before we go to our entertainment bash, we will take a break here. So don't go away. I'll be right back.
Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. ಜನಮಾನಸದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಪಡೆಯಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಯಿನ ವಹಿವಾಟದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಲೇಔಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಉಂಡು, ಎಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸುಂಡು, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಉಂಡು. ರಂಗ ರಂಗದ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ತೇಲಿಕೆ ನಲಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸಾರಗೂ ನಂಬಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property. Janak janak jana janak janak jana janak janak jana property.
ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.